We're proud to announce that Draganfly has executed a formal agreement with Global Ordnance, a leading U.S. defense contractor, to accelerate the deployment of Draganfly's advanced unmanned aerial systems and related technologies into the defense and security markets. This partnership marks a major step towards strengthening sovereignty, mission-ready drone manufacturing within the United States. Together, Draganfly and Global Ordnance will integrate responsive supply chain support, localized production, and tailored capabilities to meet evolving operational requirements for U.S. and allied forces. Global Ordnance is a veteran-owned enterprise with subsidiaries supporting the U.S. and allied armed forces through logistical, tactical, compliance expertise, and they have a proven track record in defense contracting and mission support, complementing Draganfly's long-standing leadership in autonomous systems innovation. Draganfly's Commander 3XL and the Flex FPV platforms are already field-proven within branches of the U.S. Department of War and international defense organizations. Through this agreement, production, sustainment, and training will be integrated directly into the U.S. defense ecosystem, enhancing interoperability, resilience, and rapid mission readiness. This collaboration, it leverages Global Ordnance defense credibility and logistics expertise with Draganfly's advanced autonomy and manufacturing excellence, delivering systems built for performance, reliability, and trust. As defense modernization accelerates worldwide, the need for secure, interoperable, and sovereign unmanned systems has never been greater. At Draganfly, we're proud to partner with organizations that share our mission, ensuring that U.S. and allied forces have access to the technologies required to meet tomorrow's challenges today, saving time, money, and lives.